Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How To Guide. In this tutorial we are gonna look at how to delete our Crackle application account. Now let us begin. Denote that I have already logged into my account. Now all I'm gonna do is delete it. At the top right you can see a button like this called as My Account. Hover over it and these things will open up. From here all you guys need to do is just go to settings. You can see the settings button right here just above Help Center. Click on it. And guys, this is it. This is the settings tab. Now from here all you guys have to do is focus on the account tab right here, and in the bottom you can see the delete account button. Click on the delete my account button right here and just give your confirmation. Click on delete, and guys, that is it. As you guys can see, my Crackle account has been deleted. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.